All innovation starts with a spark. At Strathmore University, that spark is research and innovation, turning challenges into opportunities. For 3 students, one opportunity stood above the rest: the chance to restore sight, and with it, restore freedom. Meet Victoria, Arnold and Furaha, the brilliant minds behind Provision, an assistive technology that empowers the visually impaired to reclaim independence. Through a simple wearable and a smart app, Provision becomes a user's eyes, offering audio guidance to navigate spaces.
In this room, there are several walls and notable features to help you navigate. The room is roughly rectangular in shape, with 2 long walls.
The driving force behind this invention is as profound as the technology itself. Victoria's personal journey with a relative battling glaucoma. A story of loss that was transformed into a mission to restore independence.
I remember it being 2023, around November, October, when I heard that she had gone blind. I went to see how she was living, and it was sad to see that she was now confined to the chair despite being active for most of her life. I found that really disheartening. So with that, I was like, this shouldn't be the case, and someone who's dedicated most of their life into doing something shouldn't have to switch because some people think that they're not capable. And so I just thought of making something that would enable them to continue with what they have been doing, even with the visual impairment.
2025 is Provision. Let's appreciate them one last time. The check is yours, the gift is yours.
In recognition of its life-changing potential, the Provision team was awarded the top prize at Strathmore's annual Ideas Festival. This critical initiative doesn't just reward ideas, it cultivates them, challenging students to apply research and innovation to the world's most pressing problems.
There were good ideas out there, and I really did feel scared. And the fact that we won, that boosted my confidence a lot and made me believe that people actually see the benefit of such an innovation, that there's room and going to be acceptance for it when it's finally ready to be out in the market.
And ensuring this innovation reaches its market is Furaha. With a background in commerce, she completes the team, translating complex IT ingenuity into a practical business model ready for the marketplace.
As I got to do this project with my team, I quickly discovered that innovation is not about the technicality of it. Just if you're able to bring in something new into a different environment, you're an innovator. So every new idea needs all aspects. Needs you to have the legal side, needs you to have the business side. Just being able to collaborate with people is very important. So the collaboration we are most excited about is the collaboration between us and Kenya Society of the Blind, especially because they're able to reach those who we can't reach, and they'll have a greater impact. Sure, we can do our own marketing, but seeing that they already have our membership base and a community with this blind society, it will be quite easy for us to reach the people we are targeting.
I believe that ours will be a go-to solution, which is not only for premium users, but we'll probably be able to even optimize it for like a common mwananchi. Because right now, we're still a bit iffy with the prices, but I think with 5 years of experience in the market and multiple iterations, I think we'll have this solid for everyone.
This is only the beginning for Victoria, Arnold and Furaha. Provision remains, a symbol of hope born from collaboration. A powerful reminder that disability is not inability. Here at Strathmore, this team isn't just studying the future, they are building it. Forging a world where technology doesn't just connect us, it heals, empowers and restores our fundamental dignity and independence.